We have found yet another amazing Florida spot.
I am so excited!
Another unspoiled area teeming with wildlife and abounding in natural beauty. We're continuing our travel up the Gulf Coast in our self-converted camper van, and we end the evening with a little fun.
Oh, that might be money.
And another gorgeous sunset. You may have heard of Sarasota and Venice, probably even the famous Siesta Key. But have you heard of nearby Manasota Key? Today we're heading to some spots that aren't hyped up. They are lesser known and wild, the very opposite of overcrowded and touristy. Good morning, guys. We woke up this morning in the Home Depot parking lot not far from here, and now we're on Manasota Key. We were here last year and took you along with us, and we're back again to try out some new things here. It's a quiet little island this morning. Last time when we arrived it was super busy, but today it's early on a Monday morning, so it'll be a little different. And we're heading to Stump Pass Beach State Park. First, we're making a quick pit stop at the CHADWICK Fishing Pier. Last time we were here, I spotted some dolphins right under the pier, so we thought we'd take a quick peek to see if there were any hanging around this morning. No such luck spotting dolphins, just a heron looking for some handouts. Today we are on Manasota Key. We just parked here at Stump Pass Beach State Park. We're on day 7 of our trip. We came across the Tamiami Trail to Marco Island, Everglades City area, and we're slowly making our way up the Gulf Coast of Florida. A different spot each day. So far we have been Lovers Key State Park, Fort Myers Beach, Boca Grande. So today again we're at Manasota Key checking things out, and we hope you come along with us and enjoy the ride. Alright, it's breakfast time before we get our day started officially.
Sausage and egg burrito.
Yum. I'm doing a little multitasking. Breakfast and computer stuff. Alright, it's go time. We're gonna go for a hike and check out the park. Stump Pass. We're going to hike down to the end. We're on Manasota Key. Yesterday we were on Gasparilla Island, Boca Grande. And now for some nature trail and beach walk. Look at all the shells we could find on the beach. I want to find one of these. South end of the island to the pass. We exited the nature trail. It's kind of nice. We have the whole beach to ourselves pretty much here. Hopefully we'll get to see some wildlife and some more dead trees that Steve loves. Skimmers, I love them. And the real terns, some of my favorite birds at the beach. Gotta get some pictures of them now. We made it to the south end of the island, to Stump Pass, after walking just over a mile. This secluded beach is absolutely a birder's paradise. The southern end of Stump Pass Beach State Park is a desirable nesting location for both seabirds and shorebirds. The females scrape a cup in the sand and lay 2 to 3 eggs directly on the beach. However, their camouflaged eggs and chicks are vulnerable to storms, predators, and human disturbance. Some of the areas here have been roped off to try to protect these amazing animals.
Wildlife and it's so pretty. Look, I found a couple more shells. Oh, that one's cool. Look, how cute is this? So we're back on the nature trail now. The south end of the island. So cool, don't you think?
Yep. A lot of birds, a lot of fish.
I was so excited to see the black skimmers and the least terns and then the oil terns and some other birds I didn't know. And dolphins. We've seen so many dolphins on this trip. So very, very cool. If we had known it was like that, we probably would have carried our beach chairs down there and camped out there for the day. But now we're heading back to the main area in the park and we're gonna hang out. Oh my goodness, has it gotten hot out here. Save yourself, Steve. We can do it. Oh, is it hot?
It's a good thing we got here early. This parking lot is full and there is a lineup of cars just waiting, hoping for a spot to open up.
We decided to have a little mercy on all the people that were waiting at the beach. We're gonna take off and we're gonna go to the library and get more work done after our fun that we've had all morning. After a marathon of video editing and work, it was time to get back to the beach.
So it's been a while since we've been to Mickey D's, but we're in a hurry to get to the beach, so we picked up something fast. We used our McDonald's app to save some money. A free sandwich in here.
Oh, I remember this.
Yeah. Steve remembers this now.
Imagine that.
We played cards in the dark here. And wondered if we could park overnight, and then we realized we couldn't.
On the menu this evening is chilled fork. How's it taste? Awesome. Okay, what's actually for dinner? Oh, a filet of fish. Steve was nice enough to get what I like tonight. We got a BOGO. Is there anything else in that bag?
The reason for the fork is leftover pasta.
With pesto and spinach. Yeah. Alright. Alright, we're playing a rousing game of bocce ball. Put your wagers in now of if you think it's going to be Steve or I that win. I'm actually putting my money on Steve.
Pretty obvious that Audrey stinks at this game.
Ah, doesn't that figure? Alright, which one's closer? I think it's yours.
That's pretty close. I guess you have to go to the second ball.
Wait,
I'm going to give her the mercy win so she can sleep well tonight.
how many? What is the score now? It's like 9-1 or something. That doesn't even really count, but we're giving me one just for mercy points. Ready? Yeah. Oh, you're way off. Oh, that
Wow.
might be money. Money.
If I'm going to reign world champion, I better nail this one.
Is this one worth 10 points?
Final round.
Oh.
Close, but no cigar.
All right, everybody. This is the only round I won. Only one. Steve is the official winner. Oh, he's got nice muscles. Reigning champ of bocce ball in Manasota Key. All right, guys. I think this is where we're going to leave you tonight. Here on Manasota Key at Blind Pass Beach, I think. We've had a good day exploring on a low budget in our van. Thanks for coming along with us, as always. Tune in next time. We're not going to tell you where we're going. You'll have to tune in next time to see. We've had a good time driving up the coast so far, and we're going to keep going.
Till next time. See ya.
Bye.
Is it possible to get tired of these Gulf Coast sunsets? Just look at that. Make sure you don't miss the rest of this series. We can pretty much guarantee several more great sunsets, gorgeous beaches, amazing wildlife, and fun adventures.